You can see that there is a no record in participant entity. And if a user go and create a trial, and the game would be cricket and city would say Bengaluru and save it. So as you can see that a trial record has been created. If I go to participants, so now as you can see that this participant has been added to this trial. Okay, so based on this trial, and I open this participant. So as you can see, this participant has been added to this trial. How can we achieve it? We are going to see in this video. Hello and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you used case that whenever a trial record has been created, they should automatically add its participants. It's going to be placed. Let's say, and game is we look for the cricket, and city should be Bangalore. So whenever this record create, then the students who lives in Bangalore and their favorite game is cricket, they should all have added in participant records. So right now we can see that when we created this record in trial, we didn't get any record get created in participant. And if you go to student, we can see that there are lots of students record are already there. Their gaming interest is also there, and the city where they live, it is also there. To achieve this outcome, we are going to write down a plugin. So I have written down a plugin. This is my code, and here I'm using my query expression to fetch all the students and their game and their city, and then I'm creating a new records in participant entity. Now I have written the code. Now I'm going to sign in this. Please go to signing. Click on signing the assembly. New. Give name like and uncheck it. Click on OK. Go back. Click on build the solution. We can ignore this warning, and now open our plugin registration tool, create new connection, click on login, and this click on register new assembly. This one, click on open, and then register selected plugin, and then we will add our step. Messages on create, primary entity is trial, and this one post operation. Click on register new step. Now we have added new step. Now we will check it again. Go back to a trial. Let's suppose we're going to create the similar one. First of all, we have to delete it, and I'm going to create a new trial, and let's see that participant will be added or not. Click on new. Game is cricket, city is Bangalore, and now click on save. So we are getting an error. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can debug it. Click on show details to see that if we can understand what is causing the error. So here we can't understand anything. Click on download log file. So log file has been downloaded. Now click on OK, open it. So as you can see, exception message says Demski student entity doesn't contain attribute name with new game and new. It doesn't have this new game. Okay, so we will go back to our code and check that whether there is no new game we have write down anywhere. So here, if I this is the condition criteria. So as we can see that it is saying that this is condition operator, the new game and new city. So we don't have this kind of logical name of our fields. So first of all, we'll check our logical names and then change it, and then we will update our plugin code. So we go back there, go back to our students, Open one. We can see from level up our logical name here. So this is the name, gaming interest, and the second one is city. Now we will build it again, and now you can see that there is no warning also. And then we will go back to our plugin registration tool. This is our plugin. So this is our plugin, and we click here and update it. Load assembly, create new participant, click on open, click on update selected plugin. Okay, yes, check, click here. Now on assembly and update, now go back here and check whether our plugin is working fine or not. Click on new again. Again, we will select cricket and city would be Bangalore. Click on save again. So now it's saying entity with name new participant is not found. Okay, copy it, go back. So this entity, it is code is not finding this entity there. Now I think it's fine. Now build it again, update it, update selected plugin. Come back here. Now I'm going to create a trial. Click on new. Game would be cricket and city is Bangalore, and click on save. So once I saved it, so my plugin should trigger and it should create recording participant entity. So now I will check it. So as you can see, these participant records has been created in participant entity. If I go to trial again, and we can check related participants. So here you can see that all the related participant to this trial has been created via plugin. So that's it from our video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.